Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today we explore subordinating conjunctions, focusing on even though for strong contrast. This powerful connector helps express surprising outcomes and unexpected results in English sentences. Even though is a subordinating conjunction that creates strong contrast. It emphasizes that something happened despite difficult or unexpected circumstances. Use it when you want to highlight surprising results. Even though introduces strong contrast between two ideas. It always connects a main clause with a subordinate clause containing both subject and verb. The result in the main clause happens despite the obstacle in the subordinate clause. Even though follows two patterns. First pattern places the main clause first followed by comma, then even though plus subordinate clause. Second pattern starts with even though subordinate clause followed by comma, then main clause. Both create strong emphasis. She studied hard even though she was tired. The main action of studying continues despite tiredness. He arrived on time even though traffic was terrible. Punctuality happens despite road obstacles. Notice how even though creates surprise. I love coffee even though it keeps me awake. Preference exists despite negative consequences. They won the game even though they were short a player. Victory occurs despite disadvantage, even though always signals unexpected outcomes. Even though requires complete clause with subject and verb after it. Never use but immediately after even though. It can begin sentences or appear in middle position. Always expresses stronger contrast than although. Practice using even though. Fill the gaps. It was raining, so we went to the park. She passed the exam, so she did not study much. He is scared of heights, so he climbed the mountain. Say these sentences aloud using even though.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.